Hello everyone and welcome to the detox program. So, liquid detox. Is it worth it? Do you often hear and read that? A girl has lost 20 kilograms consuming nothing but liquids, and everyone has been trying to repeat her success. There is a detox slimming diet based on fresh juices, herbal tea, low-calorie soups, and other liquids. Such diet plans may include a list of raw fruits and vegetables. Some diets can be rather strict. Drink only lemon water, take laxative, and execute colon cleansing. You agree that it sounds rather tempting. This process of food ratio not only makes loss weight, but also removes toxins. There's nothing surprising in this statement. If you consume only low-calorie cocktails and chase them down with laxative, you will lose weight. But in addition, you will lose your health. Let's ask physicians and diet doctors about the detox liquid diet days and weeks. Does clean assist weight loss? Major experts have similar views on the statement that drinking juice on an empty stomach does not help but harms your body shape. Almost all detox liquid diets provide an immediate reduction of the consumed calories that cause the body to enter into starvation mode. Our body tries to save energy, slowing down metabolism. As a result, we get thinner due to the burning of muscles instead of fat storages and loss of water. As soon as you start eating normal food again, the lost weight returns in its place due to slow metabolism. The danger lies in a decreased insulin production, thyroid hormones, and the other problems after weeks of the strict diet. The body completely stops production of the most important protein, IGF-1, that stimulates cell division and assists in fat burning. It causes weakness and more serious diseases such as brittle bone disease and mental distress. What to do with toxins? There is no proved scientific evidence that this or that food or beverage, especially packaged juices which contain artificial colors and flavors, is able to remove doubtful waste from our body. The truth is that the liver, kidneys, and excretory system execute their functions perfectly without our intervention. Contrary to the popular belief, toxins aren't embedded in the liver or the other organs, and our body naturally removes them, as long as you maintain good health and avoid nutrition imbalances. Wise alternative. In our program, we are taking a reasonable approach to the detox process. No exhausting diet or fasting. We recommend only natural and nourishing food that is good for your health. The program consists of 5 weeks. Each subsequent week does not preclude the implementation of the rules of the previous one, allowing in quiet mode, without a strong stress for the body, to try different approaches to nutrition that the best way impact on your digestion, well-being and appearance. Be healthy and beautiful.